The legacy we leave behind. Understanding legacy of. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, legacy of. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and the situations where it might come up in conversations or writings. To understand legacy of, it's essential to first grasp the meaning of the word legacy. At its core, a legacy is something that's handed down or left behind by a predecessor. It could be an inheritance, a tradition, a reputation, or even a memory. For example, a grandfather might leave a legacy of stories from his adventurous life. A famous author could have a legacy of influential books. Now, when we add of after legacy, it acts as a bridge, connecting the legacy with its origin or source. For instance, legacy of a war. This might mean the lasting impact, memories, or consequences that come after a war. Legacy of an artist. This would refer to the body of work, influence, or inspiration left behind by an artist. Let's now see the phrase, legacy of, in action. 1. The legacy of the ancient Greeks includes democracy, philosophy, and the Olympic Games. 2. The environmental campaign has a legacy of creating awareness about climate change. 3. She wants to leave a legacy of kindness and generosity for her children. Understanding related words and phrases can further clarify the concept. Heritage from. Our cultural heritage from past generations includes art, music, and traditions. Inheritance from. She received a large inheritance from her grandmother. Gift from the past. The preserved monuments are a gift from the past to the modern world. There you have it. The phrase, legacy of, connects the past with the present, referencing what's left behind and its origins. Whether it's tangible like an object or intangible like an idea or reputation, legacies shape our world in numerous ways. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this beautiful phrase. Remember, we all have the power to create a lasting legacy. What will yours be?